Hello everyone, welcome back to the Design Studio. In this video I'm going to share with you how to make these festive coasters to help you celebrate for the 4th of July for Independence Day. They are very simple to make. This is for beginners. These are the materials. I'll suggest you to use cotton yarn for this project. I'm going to be using 5mm crochet hook for the yarn, a pair of scissors, and a yarn needle.
Designs, unique expressions.
First thing to do is to start with the center. It's gonna be with the red yarn. We're gonna make 3 chains. We're gonna start with the slip knot, chain 3, then we're gonna join on the first chain that we made with a slip stitch. We're gonna make 3 chains. And then a double crochet inside the circle that we just made. We're gonna make 11 in total. And at the end we should have 12 stitches in the circle for round 1. Remember that 3 chains count as a double crochet. To close the round, join with a slip stitch here on the top of the 3 chains. Time to fasten off. We're not gonna use the red anymore. Time to change to the white. For round 2, attach the white yarn in any of the stitches on the top here. Make 2 knots to secure it. And in the same space, with your crochet hook, pull the yarn through and make 3 chains. This is going to consider as a double crochet. Now make a double crochet in the same space. And continue making 2 double crochet in each space. It's going to be a total of 24 stitches. You should have 12 clustered all together for this round. Close the round and join on the top here with a slip stitch. You're gonna fasten up now. You're not gonna need the white yarn anymore. For round 3, you're gonna make 36 stitches and you're gonna continue making double crochet, but you're gonna put them here between the 2 double crochet that you made in the previous round. Let me share with you how. I'm going to attach the yarn, making 2 knots to secure it better. You're gonna chain 3, and this is going to count as a double crochet. Now you're gonna make 2 more double crochet in the same space. To make a cluster of 3. We're gonna continue making 3 double crochet in the same space between the 2 double crochet from the previous round. We should have 12 clusters at the end with 36 stitches. Now we're going to close the round on the 3rd chain here on the top with a slip stitch. Fasten off, and we need just to weave in all these ends. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Happy 4th of July! Until next time, goodbye.